So what I'm thinking with Dropbox to answer these questions. So Dropbox is a late mover in a crowded space. What will set them apart from their rivals? In the case study, it talks about the idea that they are the simple ones. They're the ones that just work. And so that's really what their differentiation point is like there's not a lot of technical skill required. There's not a lot of different things that you have to set up and eventually like when they come to the conclusion that they want to do a freemium model, that really helps them to not have to go through like the traditional like enterprise structure, where it's like you can just use it and they're kind of going through the back door of things. So what problems does Dropbox solve? It makes it so people can access their files anywhere. Like when you listen to his story of how he founded Dropbox, just kind of going working for his one company and then leaving his USB drive at home. uh, like he needs his instant access to his files anywhere. Who has that problem? Business professionals, people going to school, anyone that uses like data online. How many people have this problem? Just, I mean, like there's not really a limit because there's so many people that are using computers to try to store their information everywhere. So what does Dropbox do? It's just like a thumb drive in the sky. And then how do they do it? They do it by keeping the files stored in the cloud. So what early hypothesis turned out to be wrong? Well, it turned out to be wrong that so like he was talking about like he thought that he could have his distribution channel through the different enterprises or like through distributing partners, even though his partner said that it wasn't true. And it ended up being false after a lot of investigation. But the ones that did turn out to be true is he thought the simplest way to increase the adoption was to go the freemium route. But like the way that he had it set up wasn't the right way to do a freemium model. So switching some of those things. And yeah, that's basically my initial analysis of the case.